was training them. I put them in a bathtub. I had a little turtle. His name is Tiny. I put him in the bathtub. He can drink a bottle of water. He ate a bottle of soap. Now my little and a ball and a third. Bubbles, 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 bubbles.
Good job.